y'all, this is Ashley from All Bodies Travel, and I'm just going to jump right into it today. Today I am packing my personal item to carry on the plane. If you've been following my series, I've been packing carry-on only for this 10-day trip I'm going on, and my clothes are all packed. That worked out. My toiletries will go in my suitcase, and my personal item is coming with me on the plane. The suitcase, I'm cheating a little bit on that, because I don't want to have to drag it around and put it up in the overhead bin and all of that. So it'll be checked, and I'm flying first class, so it's free. So I'm just taking my personal item, this bag. I have not tested this bag yet, so I don't know how good it is. It is Love Vuk. It's a brand from Amazon. It's not anything that anybody recognizes. But this is the one I'm testing out for this trip. It's huge. It has a ton of pockets inside. It's got a big pocket for my computer, and it's got a smaller pocket that I'll put my Kindle in. And then this front zippered pocket right here, it goes all the way down. All the way down. My arm goes to the bottom. So, and then there are little pouchy pockets on the inside sides as well. And then we have the outside pockets here, the zipper here, that again, it goes all the way to the bottom, and the snap closed pouchy here. And then we have a secret compartment in the back that's also pretty deep. It goes into here. So today I am packing this up and getting ready to go. I have less than a week to go. The first thing I'm packing is my rain jacket. I want to have this on me in case I do need it in Newark or New York City, depending on what our plans are that day. I want to make sure that I have an extra layer, especially with rain protection. So this is from Duluth Trading Company. And I love it. I love the color. It fits really nicely. The top, the hood, has a wire in it that will help shape it over my glasses to keep my glasses dry. So that's pretty cool. So let's put this in there. I'm just going to roll it up and stick it down in the very bottom of my bag. Next, I mostly have a lot of little odds and ends to put in here. So I've got my power adapter, my 3-way charging block here with the USBs. I'm going to put that in one of the little side pockets in here. My Body Glide. I did have this in my toiletries bag, but I decided I might want it walking through airports and stuff. So I kept this out. I'm going to put it in one of the little pockets that's phone sized. Now I have menstrual products and Kleenexes. I'm going to put these in the giant zipper pocket inside. Phoebe, you're so cute. And then I have little individual packs of Purell hand sanitizer. I'm going to put them in this pocket right here, because if they get stolen, I don't care as much. Oh, there's more pockets in there. Wow. Wow, there are pockets everywhere here. And then I have my little pill kit that I will link the video down below where I talk about this, but I have gone through and put labels on the items in there. I am taking regular Dramamine, I'm taking ibuprofen, I'm taking Dramamine ginger, and then Tylenol. I don't think I'll need anything else. My prescription meds are all staying in their original bottles and will be in my CPAP case for carry-on. So I'm going to drop this in the other phone size pocket in there. That way it's easy to get to if I need it while on the flight. My little backpack, my stuffable backpack that I'll be using to carry wine on board if there's not enough room in this bag, which there might be. I don't have a whole lot more stuff to go in there. But I wanted to have this on hand in case I did need it for carrying my 2 bottles of wine, technically one for me and one for my husband, on board the cruise ship. So I'm putting that down on the bottom next to the jacket. I'm taking Tums. I actually need to check the expiration on these. I may not be taking these Tums. They expired in November 2022. They're only a year old. I'm sure they're fine. I'll get new ones. And then I have my collapsible water bottle. I'm gonna stick it in an outside pocket. That's all I have to pack for now. I do need to put my computer in here, but I need to do some editing for stuff and some work. So I won't be packing that yet. I'll bring my headphones and my mouse, and then I'll have some cords for charging my phone. And I just realized that I got this little pack with the backpack, which will be perfect for putting my little cords and wires in. So I'll be putting in like a USB-C to USB-C cord in here, probably 2 of them. My little magnetic charger will go in here. It's a one charge device. It's a one-time charge device that will charge my phone, and my other external battery pack will go in there as well, probably. It is a little bit bigger, so it might go in just the regular backpack. And I've got some little plugs for my USB-C to USB-C cords, as well as a USB-C to USB-A plug that I can put in here. I'm going to have all the cords. All the cords. All right, well, that's it for this Pack With Me session. My backpack is pretty full, to be honest. The inside is not, but I still have to put my computer and my Kindle in there, and my headphones, my mouse, and cords. So it looks like there might actually be room in here for the 2 bottles of wine that we're taking on board, so I don't have to use that little backpack. I'll save that for using in port somewhere. Remember, I am a travel advisor, and I can book your travel, whether it's hotels, cruises, land vacations, all-inclusives. All these things I can book for you. Just use my email down in the description box, and I'll see you in the next video.